Welcome to Module 5, Lesson 2. Today in class we worked some more with centimeter cubes and we did some building and cutting and all sorts of fun things. On the homework we needed to do a little more cutting and taping to make some figures. And here was what the first problem was like. It said make the following boxes on centimeter grid paper, cut and fold each to make open boxes. How many cubes would fill the box? Once we did this, we would see that this shaded area here is going to be the base. And each of these are the sides, or flaps, that would fold up. Once we did so, we'd get an open box that looks like this here. So you can see that if I were to fill this with cubes, I would get 1, 2, and then here's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on the bottom layer, and then another 8 on the top layer. So that would be a total of 8 plus 8, or 16 cubes. For my explanation, I just said I saw that I could fit 8 boxes in the base layer, or the bottom layer, and 8 more on the top layer. 8 plus 8 is 16. For this next example, they give you the box already made, and you just need to figure out how many centimeter cubes would fit. Again, it's helpful to break this up into layers. So in this bottom or base layer, I can see that I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then I have a row behind it, and 5 plus 5 is 10. So the bottom layer has 10. And then I can see that I have another layer stacked on that, another layer stacked on that, and finally a fourth layer stacked on that for a total of 40 cubic centimeters that would fit. That's how many centimeter cubed blocks would fit. For my explanation, I counted 10 cubes in the base layer. There are 4 layers. 4 groups of 10, or 4 times 10 is 40 centimeter cubes that would fit inside. For this last example, we're just going to build some other box patterns. Boxes must hold the 16 1 centimeter cubes. So if I have that number 16, I know from multiplying I can get I can do 2 layers of 8. I can do 4 layers of 4. I could do 8 layers of 2. I could do 1 layer of 16. I can do 16 layers of 1. Now I've already done 2 layers of 8, so that's no longer a choice. I'm just going to choose this one. So my base layer has to have 4. There it is. And I need to do 4 flaps. Let me shade that in. And to get 4 layers going up, I'll need 1, 2, 3, 4. I'll need a flap like that. And I'll need a flap like that. And same thing here. And here to give me my sides. And if you can envision those folding up, folding up, folding up, folding up, I'd get my figure that was comprised of a base of 4 and 4 layers of that. And that's all for today's lesson.